Hello everyone, I'm here to share the Foto Folio 6, the pregnancy journal. Number 6 had two styles that you can do the single panel or the triple panel. And here is the pregnancy journal completely decked out, guys. I can't wait to show you the inside of this. So I have to thank Yvette from Two Sisters Scraps. She is on what I call my creative stylist team. I make a lot of projects and I do not have uh, the stamina, guys, to decorate them all. I have a shoulder injury, so these ladies are helping me with decorating my projects for the kits that I offer, so you all can see the finished product. So we talk about the design elements and what I'd like to see in there, and they just go to town with the papers, and they're truly, truly, truly gorgeous. Suzanne Hugh is another one on my creative stylist team, and I'm really excited about it. So let me show you some more of this. Let me zoom out very quickly here so you can see a little bit more of this. And it'll just take me a second to do that. Let's see. Here we go. Beautiful. So check this out, guys. So this is a triple panel. This is featuring the BoBunny Baby Bump collection. And it opens up in three areas to reflect the 9 months, or to record the 9 months of your pregnancy from day 1 to the day of birth. All right. I also want to point out you can put a fourth panel in here and do a baby's full year from month 1 through 12 if that's what you choose to do. All right. So to just show you what this is all about, we've got some envelopes here. All right, I'll show you the decorating so you guys can decorate your folio exactly the same way if you choose to do that. All of these beautiful cardstock colors are already selected for you in your kit. All right, where you can go ahead and decorate them as you see right here. The beautiful pocket assembly here, and that pocket assembly also doubles as a belly band. Check out the beautiful uses of the pattern papers here. They go together so well. And then over here we have another, and let's not forget that this is an accordion style envelope that we constructed here for Foto Folios. So this is Foto Folios is completely designed around the pocket scrapbooking cards. So you can see those used here throughout this project. So you have a what do you call these? An expandable folder for each month. All right, and it gives you for several of the months, and then you can do your journaling in each of these spaces. See how this opens up? All three spaces are exactly the same, but when you decorate them, they turn out completely different. So just to prompt you to journal, the kit also comes with these miscellaneous me cards by BoBunny, and the miscellaneous me cards are designed to fit into pre-made binders, but I wanted to create journaling spaces for you all for each month. So you get all 12 months. You would pick and choose which month obviously you're pregnant, and then you would just journal every month. You will journal. You have a space for every week, so you can talk about the process every day, actually. So you can talk about the process, and it's just a wonderful way for you to track your pregnancy, and just you can go back and read these memories to your child once they're grown up, and it's just a lot of fun. So these journaling booklets go into the pockets, all right, and they close like that. This kit comes complete with magnets. I mean, everything you see here, the journaling cards, these here, I do have to do a video and add it to the Foto Folios, the Foto Folio folder on how to make these booklets, all right? So you all can design these booklets and go to town with them, but they're really fun. So I will do that. I forgot about that. I reminded myself as I speak to you all. So there's the page design for this one here. All right, and then that opens up like that for more photographs and memories, and then this opens up once again for more photographs. I mean, look at all of the space that you have here. Can you imagine not only the pregnancy, but recording the baby's first year in a layout like this, in a format like this? Just truly, truly beautiful. A keepsake, guys. And the beauty about this is that it's going to last you a very, very long time, because the binding here is made out of craft text, and that is going to last you a long time. Another really cool feature about this book is that the folders come out and they give you a cascading, and you get a cascading assembly here, which allow you to take out whatever is in these envelopes without too much trouble. All right, so I'm just going to pull these out so you can see them both. All right, and you've got that here and all that. And if you're interested in this project, this is my Foto Folios series that you can find on my website as well. I will link you all down below. Let's go to the middle section right here. Okay, and this is, let's take out, why don't we take out the folders one at a time and show you those. It makes it a lot easier to manipulate. So here's another one of the folders. That gorgeous paper. It's got this beautiful salmon color and the grays, and just that this mint color is beautiful, beautiful. Great choice of papers for a baby type of project. Very modern, if you ask me. Very contemporary in these colors. So today, I absolutely love it. I love the traditional colors, but when a company does something like this, it really excites me. Makes me very happy. I've been throwing some black here, and it just makes it look so elegant, and I love that. Again, here are the here's some photo mats. Here are some stylized photo mats here. Just really fabulous. As you can see, 4x6 photographs. Yvette did this paper collection justice with outlining each month using these pocket cards to the max for the 9-month photograph, the 8-month photograph, and you'll find these throughout the album, and those just tuck away in there. And then these photo mats go right behind this belly band. Just lots of layering to create the interest, guys. You've got to create the interest with the layering. And here, look how gorgeous. 4x6 photo mats, journaling, title, if you will. And then again, this opens up some more to reveal another spread of memories. I mean, look at this. How absolutely gorgeous is this? Can you imagine telling the story in a spread like this? Just truly, truly beautiful. Here is 11 months and another photo mat. If you want to just expand on that photograph, you can do that. Just truly beautiful. And then the third section, and what's wonderful about this is that you can do this. See that? You can totally do that and not have to take up so much space when you're done with a section. So let's look at the file folders first, or the expandable folders, excuse me. So here is this one. Love the use of the pocket cards here along with the photo mats. Paper choices and combinations are wonderful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just beautiful. Here's some more pockets. All right, so there, if you like construction and pockets and lots of space and hidden journaling, Foto Folios is most certainly the project for you. There are a ton of my Foto Folio designs on YouTube. You can certainly search for Foto Folios, and you'll see how many crafters and designers are creating these Foto Folios. They're just amazing. Amazing, amazing. So they're wonderful. So again, you can do your own, guys. You can check the link down below, and it'll link you to this kit if you want this kit, or to Foto Folios. And over here, and this is all magnetized. Check that out. That amazing journaling space right here. Just really, really wonderful. And another photo mat. Beautiful. And let's just open this up right here for another cascading photo mats. Love that. Look at that, 9 months. It's happening. Contractions, doctor visits. How super cool. Love it. And this last one is a pocket. All right. So really fun. Enjoy this project, guys. If you picked up my kit, here is the matting for you. It's just really beautiful. There's going to be another video on Photo Folios showing this project page by page. All right. And you're truly going to enjoy it. I forgot how I opened it, so forgive me. And the beauty about this binding is that it's expandable. So you can make it as wide or as thin as you like, and you can load up your projects and they'll always lay flat. Let me show you this kit really quickly. All right, so you see what you get. Let's not forget all of the journaling opportunities that you also get. You get this in your kit, guys, okay? All of it. So here we go. This is what you get in your baby bump kit. And everything's beautifully packed up because these are ready to go out the door. All right, so you get your magnet pack, okay? And my magnets come in here, okay? So you get your magnets along with your little metal discs. All right, you get your journaling cards in the 4x6 and in the 3x4, okay? Then you get your journaling pages, and I show you in the video, I will show you how to cover these up, and this video will be in Photo Folios, okay, in the baby bump folder. And I show you how to cover these up so you don't have to use them with a binder. If you are not making this project but you love these pages and you want to use them in your mini albums, then you want to look at my convertible album tutorial. I show you also how to cover that up as well. So let's put this back really quickly. And this one in there, I believe. Okay, and then you get, of course, the paper collection. All right. The paper collection along with another sheet of each. So you need a lot of paper. So I give you the paper collection and one sheet of each. All right, an additional sheet. Let me just double check. I just want to show you very quickly these beautiful papers here. If you haven't seen the BoBunny Baby Bump collection, it's gorgeous. So look at this. That pink and the gray, but it's more like a salmon color. It's not necessarily pink. I love the silhouettes in here. Just really gorgeous papers. And this also has some pocket cards as well. Just beautiful, beautiful papers. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So it's perfect for a mom to be absolutely perfect. All right, so those are some of your papers. So again, you get the entire paper pack, the collection pack that comes with the stickers and all that good stuff. And then you get an additional sheet of each pattern so you can make the project, you know, so you can finish up the project. And then you get your craft text and you get your cardstock. All right, you get, I think it's the 40 sheets of the black and then 10 of each coordinating color. You get that yellow, the green, the gray, the salmon, white, and black. All right, so you get 40 sheets of the black because you need to actually make the project. And then you get the craft text that you need to make the project. So enjoy this kit, guys. Check out the links below if you're interested in either Photo Folios or the kit. And enjoy. All right, truly enjoy this project. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to see you guys create your own.